What happens if a person dies upside down? I mean, when they die with more debt than they have assets. Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. If you are new here and you like our content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Here in the state of California, when someone dies with more debts than assets, that estate is considered insolvent, unable to pay debts owed. As a result, the personal representative must pay creditors based on a strict statutory order of priority. In most cases, creditors must be paid prior to a beneficiary or an heir receiving anything. If a personal representative makes distributions to heirs or beneficiaries prior to paying all creditors in full, that personal representative can be held liable for any short amount of funds. Let's take a look at California's statutory payment priority. First, the personal representative must pay all administrative costs, such as attorney's fees, executor fees, court cost. Secondarily, the personal representative must pay all funeral expenses, and medical costs related to a final illness must be paid. Next, any secured debt must be paid, like a mortgage or any other debt that's backed by collateral, followed by state and federal taxes. Any outstanding taxes must be paid, followed by any general unsecured debt, such as credit cards, personal loans, or utility bills, must be paid. Finally, let's take a look at a true insolvent estate, an estate that's unable to pay its debts. The beneficiaries or the heirs of that estate usually receive nothing. It is possible that the personal representative can receive a fee for managing that estate. Often, the personal representative asks could they be held liable for any of the deceased person's debts. And the answer is no, not unless they are personally connected to that particular debt. If the personal representative makes a wrongful payment based on the order of priority of payments, then the personal representative can become liable to that creditor. Question of the day: have you ever been a personal representative of an insolvent estate, an estate that was unable to pay all of its debts? If so, what happened? Did you get paid? Let us know in the comments below. Again, a completely insolvent estate is where debt exceeds assets. When this occurs, the courts will likely discharge all of the outstanding debt. If this is your case or likely to be your case, be sure to consult an experienced probate attorney in the area or the county where your loved one lived. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you know someone that's dealing with a probate administration or a trust administration, I would appreciate your support by sharing this video with them. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need legal advice, please contact an attorney. If you need a referral for a probate or an estate planning attorney here in the Southern California area, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching.